Menzer from Mr. Electric 2002. I changed my name to 2002 because that's the year I was born. My YouTube name, Mr. Electric 199, used to be, but now it's 2002, Mr. Electric 2002. Today I'm doing a review of the Bazooka Air Horn. Now, the letters probably are backwards because I have this on selfie so I can see what I'm doing. But I'll show you how it works. It's pretty loud, makes your ears ring a little bit if you're facing it up like this, but let's take it apart first so I can show you how it works. So to take the horn off, you just unscrew it. This is not a compressed gas air horn. This one you can continue to use no matter how much you use it because it's a pump air horn. So you just take that off right there, and there's your two components, and then there's a spring inside to bounce it back, and then there's your canister. So put it back together, put the spring in, put your back on, and then that's how that would work. So you just put your horn back on, as simple as that. Now let me show you how loud this thing is, how it works, because you guys are probably wanting a few good honks on this thing. So I'll back up. Wow. There are some people working over there, but they're a good football field or two away, so this thing is loud. Didn't make my ears ring, but you can just hear how loud it is. You can just have the camera propped against a pole right here, so it's pretty dang loud. I'm gonna back up to about a couple hundred feet so you can hear how loud it is from a couple hundred feet. Alrighty, then I'd say that was about 150 feet, so 125 maybe, so I'm gonna decompress it without making noise, which you basically just put it into your shirt like this, and rotate it, and it's ready to be stored again. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.